Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making chicken, but I'm making sauce to go on top of the chicken. I'm making a buffalo wing chicken, and I'm making some honey and barbecue chicken wings. These the ones are already done fried up, you guys. They're crispy, they're just out the grease. So I'm gonna get ready by starting to mix my buffalo wings for half of the chicken and my honey barbecue for the next. And what noise you hear is my other batch of chicken in here cooking. So I'm about to get started, and I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, I have my butter and my hot sauce, you guys. So I'm just gonna stir it up. It smells so good. I microwaved it, so this just gotta go over my chicken. So now I'm about to start my honey and barbecue sauce chicken wings, and I will be back. Ooh, it smells so good in here, y'all. Okay, you guys, I added barbecue sauce. Now I'm gonna add a little honey, just a little bit. Don't want to add too much because you don't want no real sweet wings. Okay. And I'm going to get my buffalo sauce. Okay, guys, I'm about to start dipping my wings. That's my buffalo sauce. And here is my barbecue sauce. So here we go, guys. Cover them up really well. I got one more batch of chicken cooking. It's for side. So I'm gonna give this a good toss. And I will be back and show you. Okay, you guys, here's my honey barbecue wings. I mixed them. I got them in this pan. I got my oven on because I'm going to put them in the oven probably for 5 minutes to let the sauce bake on there. So, see, that's all clean. I done ate a piece of chicken, y'all. Now we're going to start with the buffalo chicken in here. And I have another batch here cooking that I'm about to turn over. Okay. So I'm gonna get these all together and I will be back. Okay, you guys, now I have my buffalo wings. I'm gonna put them in the tray. I'll let them soak up all this goodness. Yes, I did. So I'm gonna add my other chicken to the sauce. And once again, guys, when I get all this chicken all sauced up, Sue will be right back. Okay, you guys, here's my buffalo wings, you guys. And this is my honey barbecue wing. And I thank you for watching on this Sunday. So, I'm about to throw these bad boys in the oven and have me a little coleslaw. And that will be it for me for this afternoon. And I thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel. Bye-bye for now.